Okay, so good evening and a very warm welcome to both of you. So, if I may ask, how was your experience overall of HackOline Security Conference 2023?
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for a managed or organized very well, and the event from start to end. I was very happy to see the event, the people who have participated, and also starting from the speech itself, the speakers they started with a very good speech, and then the event followed by the interviews, and the interviews were good, found very good candidates, and we as a Z Plus, we would like to have few members joined our organization and support us for cybersecurity. And there are a lot of good things that are upcoming, that are coming into Z Plus. We would like them to participate and help us solving those problems.
So, you feel that the candidates were exceptionally good?
Yeah, most of the candidates were good, and we definitely would like to go ahead with the second round of interview with them, and would like to interact with them more.
More.
Yeah.
Okay. And anything else you'd want to add for HackOline Security Conference 2023?
Yeah, we have a yearly one. Would like to have more
Often?
so that we can participate, we can help each other more, and have more cybersecurity experts into the market, and they can help each other. Right. Right
Okay.
now, the cyber crimes are growing a lot, right, and we can prevent a lot from our end as much as possible.
Okay. Could you give us like a thumbs up, please?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Thank you.